Hello, I'm back. Hello everyone. This video is all about the yarn that I purchased while on vacation in Turkey. You all know I'm a big fan of Turkish yarn, love the yarn, and I paid about £70 and I got quite a bit. I went into two shops. There was three of them, but one of them was just too far away for us to get to. But I still did a bit of damage in the two shops I went to. So first, I bought Silky Effect Elise Diva Ombre Batik, and it is 100% microfiber acrylic, and you know I love this yarn. I've used it many times before. I had to pick this one up. This is for me, and I'm not sure yet what I'm going to make with it, but this one. Wait, where can I put them? Right. And they were 82 lira. Now, for one English sterling pound, we got 24 lira to the pound. And these were 82 lira. So I paid just over £3. Now guys, I can pay anywhere between £8 and £10 for these, and I got them for £3.50, which is not bad. So this is another one. This is the Bella Ombre, and this is 100% cotton, and this just says Bella Ombre, no colours. 250 grams in this one, which is 8.82 ounces, 900 meters, 984 yards. Now that would make a lovely shawl. I'm thinking our Ursula's got two shawls patterns, and these would make one of them. I'm sorry I forgot to tell you what was on this one. Exactly the same. There's 875 meters in this, 957 yards, 250 grams. So that's them two. Then this one, I love this one. I saw this one and instantly thought of autumn. Love it. Again, same, it's the Diva Ombre, and it's Silky Effect, and it's so soft, guys, and that, so I really like that. No, Diva Ombre Batik, and the colour is 7375. And then I got 4 cakes. I got another purple, guys. Again, this is the Silky Effect. Is it the same as this one? No, it's totally different colour, as you can see, different colours. And this one is again 250 yards. This is again acrylic. This one is, yeah, so I got 1 cotton and 3 microfiber acrylics, which are really nice, very soft and lovely to work with. Then I bought this yarn for my sister, Arjun, and this is called Simli Ali's Shawl. This is especially for shawls. It is, oh, I forgot to tell you what, these are a 2-weight, guys. Yeah, these are a one weight. Those 4 are all one weights. This is a 1 as well. And this is 100 grams, so I bought 3 of these. These are Arjun. Arjun loves blue. 100 grams, 460 meters, 503 yards. It is 95% acrylic and 5% metallic, metal fat, to get the sheen. So, and there's no colour is number 40. So these, I've never had these before, and I'm not sure if you've seen them before, but they're them 3. And I bought sock yarn for giveaways. I bought 4 different. So these are going to go in future giveaways. So I've got the Elise Superwash Comfort Socks, 75% wool, 25% nylon, and that's the way it knits up. You get the pattern on how it knits up. 100 grams, 3.53 ounces, 420 meters, 459 yards. This is colour number 2698, so that's going to be one giveaway. And then I bought 3 different ones of these. I've not used these before, and these are all the Elise Artisan, and it gives you ideas here on the side. And it's 75% wool, again 25% nylon, 100 grams, 420 meters, 459 yards. And so we've got the grey, we've got the greens and the oranges and the browns and the beiges, and then we've got the pinks and the teal, not teal. We've got pink, purple, cream and grey on that one. So they are all for future giveaways. So that's one bag empty. So in the next bag, we have got, they're all Elise, guys. They're all Elise. And this is extra Yeni, which means new. And this is 100 gram, let me see, acrylic, 100% acrylic, and this is 220 meters for 241 yards, and it is, this is a 3 weight, guys. This is but look at that tealy colour, isn't that beautiful? So I got that. Then I got some cotton. I got the Cotton Club Elise Cotton Gold, 100 grams, 330 meters, 361 yards, and it is 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. And I got 3 of these. These are for me. So, and these are a 3 weight as well. Let me just confirm that it are a 3 weight. Yeah, they're a 3 weight. A 2 to 3, I would say. So that's them. And then I treated myself. These are for me, guys. I saw this yarn. I wanted every single colour. And this is called the Batik Design Elise Diva. It is 100 grams, 3.52 ounces, 350 meters, 382 yards. And this is colour 3307. It's 100% microfiber acrylic. It is a 2 weight. But look at the colours on that. And I bought 4 of these to make a top for myself. So I really like the colours on them. Love these colours. I love my microfiber acrylic. I think it works up lovely and it washes so nice. It really does. So I got them. I can go in the bin. Have a cup of coffee. I've come back off holiday with a cold, guys. Would you believe it? I need to take some Beecham's, I think. And then these are all Elise. So I got, they only had 3 of the blue in this. The blue and brown. Now blue and brown are my favourite. You know that. You know that, guys. So blue and brown are my favourite. So, hold on. Oh no. No. They had 2 of these and I got this to go with it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but this colour will work really nice with them. So maybe a nice summer tea with this. Not sure. But I got that. Again, the same stats as before. And then I got it in this tealy colour. Same stats as before. And I got 3 of these, which is enough, guys, to make a shawl with this one. Or a wrap. And I've got a few ideas on that. And then Ursula will like this because it's got pink in it, and I got this colour to go with it. So I've got them. Aren't they? Ooh, lovely, lovely. And that colour will really complement it because it's actually in the yarn as well. So I got them. They're for me. These are something I've never seen before. And these are going to actually be giveaways, upcoming giveaways. So this is Elise Angora Gold. And it is a 1 weight. A 1 stroke 2 weight, I would say. There's 500 metres, 547 yards. This is the gold. And it is 75% acrylic, 20% wool, and 5% the metallic thread. And they will make a lovely shawl. So I got the gold and I got the silver. And these are going to be my Super Chat Super Sticker giveaway for June. So they're what I'm going to be offering in June. I've already sorted May's out, but these are going to be June's giveaways. And last but not least, Ursula, close your eyes. These, I've not seen this before. Cotton gold. Just look at that, guys. Maybe there, we've got it here in the UK and it's under a different label. In America, again, a different label, maybe a Premier yarn. But this is 55% cotton, 45% acrylic, 100 grams, 330 metres, 361 yards. And I got 3 of them, which will make, let me see what so I would say it's a 3-2, a very lightweight 3, or a 2 weight. So I've got this colour. And then I got this. This is for me. That other one's going to be a giveaway at some point. And this one is again Elise Bella. and it's 100% cotton, and it reminds me of that yarn in America that changed colour. No, not that one. The same type of yarn, but it didn't change colour. It had, you know, but I got 3 of them, and they are 360 metres, 394 yards, which is 369, which I've got well over enough to make a wrap, which I've been playing around with ideas while I've been away. I got myself a notebook and pen and pencil so I could do some drawings and whatever, and about designs and that, and this is the purpose that I bought this, because this is going to be one of the wraps that I'm in the process of designing. And that, guys, is my yarn haul from Turkey. I absolutely could have spent a fortune. I really, really could have. It was money that I'd saved up, especially for the trip. So, and I got more. Actually, I came home with money, because really I had to think about the baggage, the lug, you know, the weight of the yarn, bringing it home, because this was a kind of a vacation for Rick and I had to be well aware of the luggage allowance, and we were spot on, which was good, because I put some of the yarn in my carry-on. Anyway, we got home okay. We got home safe. I will do a few pictures, a few photographs for the end of this video, and so you can have a proper look at them. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all on Wednesday for my live, and then Friday for another video. Take care. Bye.